Spanky D, Cola King, Keith King right there. Cola King first. Fuck 'em up. Oh. Shit, I thought it started. Crocodile killer, the real dealer, the real puppet pillar. Niggas, that's what's up, niggas, then you got it. Niggas drinking out of a cup, niggas know what's up with the real shit. Shut up, sit back, relax, grab a six pack, open that shit up and chillax. Niggas know you gotta hear the real flow, straight from Cola King, niggas, that's what it's at, bro. That's what's up, dog. You hear it from the straight of the shit, and it's not with the toke of the shit, it's not broke. The real lyrics hearing, the real fucking hearing, the real fucking lyrics, now you gotta hear it. Motherfuckers hearing this shit, now you hear it. Now you fucking see the real time of beat, the real fucking ninja, he bounces to your feet. Niggas and he cuts every fucking limb off, straight with the chainsaw. Niggas, that's what's up, y'all. This is Spanky D. Everybody's telling you to be like Kilo G, but I'm my own fucking person. Everybody's fucking telling me to rep Illuminati, but the devil has taken my fucking soul over because he's fucking my life up too many times. Dude, you wanna take my life? I'm about ready just to give you that sacrifice, just to tell you that this is my life. You wanna take it over? You gotta go now. I'll bend you fucking over with the shovel while I bend your ass into that dead motherfucking hole. Bitch, it's black, cause it's a black hole. Everybody's telling me to fucking do it now, but it's me, trying to be pure. The only thing pure around here, she's to only have fear. But when I bleed, it's like I bled for a year. But when I shed a tear, it only shows that I'm standing right here with all these feelings trying to burst out my heart. God is telling you to lock it in a cage. Let it breathe, let it go, let it go, let it soar like Gale Tigers telling you, gotta do it now. Elementary is back to the town. Keep your keys getting on the track right after me. Everybody's waiting for all us to come back to the track. Kilo G's coming with us to the top. Everybody saying Versace, Versace. Nobody knows what the fuck that really means. So you go to the golf course, take that fucking swing, 100 yards down the fucking pole, keep your keys. Yo, I'm fully loaded and I'm strapped. I don't know, this is us three left. I'll come at you like a machine and I'll put a gun to your head and I'll make you pray with your last breath. Yeah, you gotta understand. I kill people and I leave lead in their chest. You gotta understand. We are the ones that are left. Yeah. This is how we do, yeah, this is where we wanna be on the big screen, yeah, we're gonna be famous with our money in our pockets and you don't know why I am sitting here screaming to the lines of every day, making you, I can't do it. Niggas know what's up, the real fucking niggas, you drink it out of a cup, niggas now they know for the real fucking flow, you gotta spit a flow like a fucking artichoke, now you fucking choked, now you fucking broke, the real fucking niggas, I already spoke, I spit all my rhymes and bust all my crimes, niggas know it's my time, niggas know it's my crime, that's what's up, the real nillas, the real puppet dealers and the shit is the killer, with the Cucamonga crocodile killers, the real fucking king, niggas brother king, that's what's up. That was perfect.